In the learning phase, students begin learning housekeeping operations by managing housekeeping for a small 75-room practice hotel in a ski town. By learning how to stock cleaning supplies, set par levels, and maintain proper housekeeping staffing, while also maintaining positive employee satisfaction, students learn the many aspects of running efficient hotel housekeeping. In the challenge phase, students work as the housekeeping manager for the 190-room Skyburst Hotel. They're challenged to meet employee and customer satisfaction goals while also not exceeding a specific housekeeping wages budget. Utilizing their knowledge from the learning phase, students will tackle a variety of tasks to meet their goals, reviewing and updating staffing levels to ensure efficiency and clean guest rooms, managing and ordering cleaning supplies inventories, watching for weather reports that may indicate higher occupancy, and much more. For professors using the full curriculum with written content chapters, the optional concept overview and quiz covers housekeeping's purpose and overview, department responsibilities, housekeeping staffing structures, room status reporting, housekeeping management, part technical, part administrative, and part motivational. Housekeeping is an integral part of running a successful, efficient hotel with guests who are happy about their hotel experience. Using this sim, students will learn that while it might sound simple, there is a complex process to maintaining housekeeping for a busy hotel.